It's small enough containment that air conditioner is gonna be fine in here.
There's shoe space. And there's air conditioner. And there's window. And there's
Nothing to see here.
spaceport heater.
Nothing to see here.
And there's a wall. And there's a
Hello.
loft. And there's a staircase. And there's another wall. It's very dark. What's wrong? Why are you always tired? Too jumpy.
Every time you go upstairs, I fart.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. And you come back downstairs.
No, I smell it.
It should raise up. Doesn't heat rise?
Are farts hot?
Yeah, I would say so. Pea's hot. You ever stuck your finger in the stream?
Oh, I can't wait to show this video to Amy. Did you know you can turn the flash on when you're taping? I never knew that.
Really?
Yeah.
You did it.
See?
You did it at the booze cruise all the fucking time.
I was drunk. I don't remember.
Jesus. I never knew you could do it. I've seen you do it.
If you remember, we never kept any of those videos. Here's Sarah's refrigerator with ice cube trays. Megatron. That's an audio file. That's not the same thing. And there's the little bathtub. Stop it. And there's an imaginary washer and dryer. What you got?
I found it on the ground.
Did you?
Mm-hmm.
That means it's fresh.
Alright, get your coat on. I'm gonna go find a garage.
Only one more thing. The giant closet space.